Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to the More Analytics Afternoon S&P 500 Gold and Bitcoin podcast for December 5th going into the 8th. Hope everybody had a good week trading. Okay, we're going to start off with the S&P 500. Been bullish overall from 3502. We've seen 3,451.75 into this bull trend. A lot of other bullish calls in here. More recently, we held exhaustion with the 65.25 low and rallied 361.25 and a little bit more than that today, up to 69.05 even. Also, more recently, I said that the trade above 67.91.25 will project this upward 265 plus, although I did say I'm not strong on this. We'd attained 95 of that coming into this morning, and then more of that up to 69.05 even. This formation right here, I'm not that keen on it. It falls just below the parameters I would make a suggestion on, but it's getting extended. So that comes in at 68, 61, 28. Plus 52 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Decent break below there will warrant a decent pressure, and a further decent break below 68.51.95 minus 10 per hour will also warrant pressure. If we then take out the lower line right here decently, which is going to come in at 67.95.81, that'll warrant a more severe pressure and might bring a sell-off down into these levels in the days ahead. A maintained gap lower would also be bearish. Monday has a good likelihood of seeing range expansion. Okay, into gold, been whipping around here a little bit. Okay, overall, we've been bullish since 1183. We've seen 3,214.3 to the upside. A lot of other bullish calls in here. The trade below 42.39.80, I'd said warns of pressure, but that was put on hold. We broke below here, and then we broke above this formation, and I said that decent trade above 42, 44.60 minus 6 per hour. We'll project this upward 58. And we traded up to 42.90.50 before rolling over. If we fell back down through this line decently, it's going to warrant decent pressure. That's going to come in at 42.36.80. Minus 6 per hour, starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Sunday. A decent penetration over the weekend is going to be 24.9. And after the open on Monday, it's going to be 22.3. And a maintained gap lower will leave a medium bearish reversal above. And in the Bitcoin, been bullish overall from 16,275. We've seen 110,965 to the upside. Then we got overall bearish below 124,228. We've seen 43,478 to the downside. That's on hold. And the lower time frame on 12/12, we left a minor bullish reversal below, warned about. We've seen 5,403 from the 89.035 open. I warned that the settlement above 91.225 would likely bring in a break, and that would project this upward 6,500 minimum, 16,000 plus maximum. That's now decreased to, should be 5,500 at this point. Going into Monday, this will be 1550. 15,500 plus maximum. We only attained 3,215 to that before rolling over and bouncing off the line here today. If we fail below the line decently, that's going to warrant a decent pressure. That's going to come in at 88,389. Minus 43 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Decent trade above this formation above here. Which is going to come in at 93,351. Minus 33 per hour. Starting at 6 o'clock p.m. That will project this upward 21,000 plus. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you have an awesome weekend, and I'll see you on Monday's podcast.